Tell me the tale of a hop being named.
The day a hop is named, from going from an experimental number to a real being.
What's your name, little guy?
Can we make an IPA? No.
Shuey.
No fucking way. So what does Firestone California IPA taste like? High taxes and sunshine. Tastes the same, looks different. And we have Brian Melter. And boy, this double...
It's brain melter.
Oh yeah, sorry. Brain Melter. It's soft, it's luscious, it's a very strong wort fermented with our ale yeast, anger and regret.
So you're brewing beer in trash cans for frats.
Yes. If this beer was a movie, it would be Cocaine Bear. I keep a bowl full of these in my office, just in case, some brewer coming by, that's visiting needs a medal or two to hang at their brewery.
That cream, pure vanilla, sweeteners. That's a 10.
The only thing wrong with this shot is the guy standing in the middle of it.
Matt, you don't have to make this.
Okay, all right, but I kind of like doing it.
All right.
Have I ever used incognito mode in my browser? No, I don't need to do that, man. Why, do you?
Yes.
Okay. No, we're not using that. What happens when I let my mind wander? New beers are born.